Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy TomoChain Tomo. In this tutorial we are going to use KuCoin because KuCoin is my favorite exchange right now and it's so easy to use, and that's why I highly recommend you to use it too. And they also list awesome coins. You know, I just like this exchange. It's so like honest. You know, they even have 24/7 like live support. You can actually go chat with your employers. Okay, so that is mind-blowing. That is awesome. But anyway, to buy TomoChain on KuCoin, all you have to do is go to the description of this video and sign up on KuCoin first. Sign up now. Go to the description like right now. Go to the description and click the KuCoin and sign up now, because I highly recommend you to sign up on exchanges before the bull run, like before the crazy parabolic bull run, because that's when the exchanges get like too locked and loaded, so they can't get so you like people can't sign up no more because there is just so much traffic. Okay, and yeah, but anyway, sign up now, and after that, when you have signed up, go to search and search for Tomo, and like you can see, TomoChain has Bitcoin and Ethereum pairings. Okay, so that basically means that you either have the first buy or Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then trade that into Tomo, or if you already own Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can just deposit that Bitcoin or Ethereum into your KuCoin account and then trade that into Tomo. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the both methods. It's really simple and easy. The first one is if you have to buy, so go to homepage and click buy crypto. After that, click third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies, but in this tutorial we're going to buy Tomo, so we are going to go with Bitcoin. Okay, and you know, when you click USD, you can select the currency that you want to pay with. Okay, after that, select how much Bitcoin you want to buy and click buy now, and the purchase will be complete. And when you go to your assets, your Bitcoin will show up in your main wallet here. Okay, now if you already own some Ethereum or Bitcoin, just click deposit, and here you can basically get your Bitcoin or Ethereum depositing addresses. Okay, so just deposit in your own address. Okay, so that's how it works. And the next thing is this. Okay, so this is going to be how KuCoin will be, how you use KuCoin. Okay, so KuCoin has two different wallets, main and trading wallet. And when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can't trade it, but you can withdraw it. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, you can trade it, but you can't withdraw it. Okay, and to transfer between these two wallets, it's easy. All you have to do is click the currency. For example, now your Bitcoin or Ethereum, click it and click transfer. And like you can see, from main account to trading account, select how much you want to transfer. Like I said, it's free, instant and easy. After that, click confirm, and the Bitcoin or Ethereum will transfer to your trading wallet. Okay, good. Now you can actually trade that cryptocurrency into Tomo. Okay, now if you want to transfer it back to your main account, main wallet, so you can withdraw it, all you have to do is click it again, click transfer, and just, you know, do the same thing again. It works vice versa. Okay, so that's how you transfer between wallets in KuCoin. Okay, and now you own some Bitcoin or Ethereum in your trading wallet on KuCoin. Okay, so now we can actually go and buy Tomo. So go markets and search for Tomo and click the pairing that you own. So if you own Bitcoin, click the Bitcoin pairing. If you own Ethereum, click the Ethereum pairing. Like I said, I'm going to use Bitcoin in this tutorial, and I'm going to click Tomo/BTC. Now this works for both. If you are using Ethereum to buy it, it works still, so you can just follow this tutorial. Okay, after that, click buy. Now here's the trading desk. On the upper left corner, you can see Tomo/BTC. The one on the right, where it says Bitcoin, that is the cryptocurrency that you are selling. And the one on the left, where it says Tomo, that is the cryptocurrency you are buying. So you're currently selling your Bitcoins and trading that into Tomo. Okay, so that is what you're doing here. And in order to do that, all you have to do is check out the right side of my screen. On the bottom you can see green numbers, and on the top you can see red numbers. So the green numbers are buying orders, so somebody else is also currently buying Tomo, and the red numbers are selling orders, so people who are currently selling Tomo. And to get the best price, so the lowest price possible, all you have to do is click the bottom one of the red numbers. Okay, so that is the lowest amount that somebody is currently selling their Tomo tokens. Okay, you will get the best price, so always click the bottom one. After that, all you have to do is select how much Tomo chain you want to buy. So click amount. You can type in here how much you want to buy, or you can use these percents here. Okay, so when you click 50%, that means that you're selling 50% of your bitcoins and trading that in the TOMO. For example, if you want to sell all of your bitcoins or ethereums, all you have to do is click 100%, so that will sell all of your bitcoins and trading that into TOMO. Okay, so if you, after you have selected how much you want to buy, all you have to do is click buy TOMO, and then the trade will execute. And when you go to your assets, boom, you can see the TOMO right here. Okay, so now if you want to withdraw the TOMO, all you have to do is keep it in your main wallet and click withdraw and search for TOMO, like you can see here, TomoChain. Then click that, and here you can straight up withdraw your TOMO. Okay, and if you want to keep trading the TOMO, all you have to do is transfer it from your main wallet to trading wallet, and you can basically trade the TOMO. Okay, so that's how it works. It's really that simple. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any problems with this method, comment down below, because I'm here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.